I earned over $500 just by watching videos. Open YouTube and watch videos and earn over $20 for each video you watch. Now you can see that I'm watching some gaming videos, and in the background I am earning more than $8 to $15 every minute. You could also do the same thing and take the withdrawal into your PayPal account or in your Payer account, as many other people are doing without any investment. People from all over the world, including the United States, Canada, United Kingdom, Brazil, or any other countries, are earning $7, $11, $16, $22, and much more. You could also earn money in the same way, but for that you will have to watch this video till the end. Step number 1. Open YouTube and watch some videos that are trending right now, or you just need to make sure that the video you are watching is really good. For this video, I will be watching gaming video, and you could watch any video and take the pleasure and earn free money. For gaming videos, I will go to the gaming section, and from that you could see the most trending games over here. From all the games, League of Legends is trending right now. It is getting over 60,000 views worldwide. You could watch any videos from YouTube or select your personal favorite video, as you wish. I will be watching the game League of Legends, but the choice is up to you totally. Now, I will click on the share button and copy the link from here. With this link, you could earn more money than these YouTubers are making, and without even spending a lot of time, or in simple words, just by enjoying these videos. This process is very easy, and a lot of people are earning money but not sharing at all. Now open the website named shrinkearn.com, and this website will pay you a lot more dollars just for watching videos. This website shortens your link and pays you money for each link clicks. You don't need to beg for link clicks. I will show you how you will get that without any work. I have pasted the link of this website in the description below. You could click on the link and sign up so that you could win some free bonus. This website is 100% genuine, as you could see people are withdrawing money every second into their PayPal account, Binance Pay, or Payer account. Just sign up into this website by filling some basic details like name, email address, and entering a password. Now click on the shorten link option and paste the link you have copied from YouTube and an alias, write League of Legends. Then click on the shorten option and it will give you a new link. For each 1,000 clicks on your links, you could get up to $20. But I want you to do one more step to double your earnings. You could double your earning by pasting this link into another website named shrinkme.io. This is also a similar website, and you could sign up within a few seconds. And again, if you sign up with our link, you will get $1 of free bonus. Click on the link which is provided in the description below. Similarly, like the previous website, click on the shorten link option and paste that link over here which you copied just now, and under alias, type the same text and then click on shorten link. This will give you a link which you need to share to everyone. But I will tell you some secret groups and tricks where if you share this link, you could easily get over 1,000 clicks each minute, and you could thus watch your video you were watching and make money on background and take the payout within seconds. And with the new link, you will easily earn around $16 or even $40. That is, your earning per link will become double from the last time. Step number 2. Open Facebook and type here League of Legends groups, and you will get to see a lot of groups appearing in front of you. Select the public group option and you will see the top groups. Join a few groups which have the highest number of members. These groups are very active. That means people are demanding for this game the most. You could earn money by fulfilling this demand of the people. If you post something in this group, then almost hundreds and thousands of people are going to watch your post, and from that, you could easily get a large number of clicks, and with that you could earn a lot of money while you watch the video you selected. Visit these groups and create a post in each group by pasting your link. Write some catchy text like I wrote, "These tricks of League of Legends made me a pro player." Now don't worry, I have shared a Google document link in the comments section where I have written some most catchy texts for you. You just need to copy those texts and then paste it in the writing area and then post it in those groups. Now, the same thing you could do in 5 or 10 different groups. Some of your posts make it restricted, but that won't create any problem. Now, if you were thinking that this would take a lot of time, then I have a solution for you. At the end, I will tell you a secret trick by which you could automate this entire process and earn free money without doing any work and while watching videos. Again, come to YouTube and search over here for financial videos, and specifically crypto-based or whatever you want. Click on the filter button, and from here, select the most popular videos. Then click on the share option from the most popular videos and copy the link of that video. Again, repeat the same process, that is, posting a link in the Cashcorner.com website and copy the new link in Clipboard. After that, again paste that link into shrinkme.io. Copy the new link from here so that you could generate free PayPal money just by watching YouTube. Now open Telegram and search over here for some crypto-based groups. Join these groups. You could see that this group has around 50,000 members and almost around 3,000 people are online right now. If you paste your link over here very easily, you could generate around 1,500 link clicks, and thus he could easily earn around $20 to $30 without doing any work and watching YouTube videos. Write a catchy text like I did over here, and below this, paste your link or tell them to DM you. It is the most important part. Now, as I said, you could get all these catchy texts by clicking on the link of the Google document I've pasted in the comments section, so check that out. Now, as I promised you, I will share with you a secret trick by which you could easily get this process done automatically. Step number 3. Open Instagram and search for Earning Money Daily. Go to hashtags and you could see a lot of posts related to earning. This step will help you to automate the entire process, so watch this full step till the end. Click on any post and get to the comments section, and you will see a lot of people asking for ways to earn money. Open their profile and ask them for a collaboration. You could see that I wrote a simple message. After a few minutes, I got the reply from the guy named Jack Thompson, who is interested in working with me. Now I will just have to provide him the link and he will automatically post it in the different groups, and for that I will have to only pay him $4 to $5 hardly and send him the link of the video I was watching. And I could earn around $10 to $20 while I enjoy the YouTube video. You could send messages to people on Instagram who are searching for work. Hire 5 to 10 people and put them to work so that you don't have any headache and earn money while watching YouTube videos. You don't have to think about the text you need to type because I have already added many formats and templates of these texts in the document, of which I have added the link in the comments section. To take the withdrawal, you will have to click on the withdrawal option. But before that, you will have to fill out your withdrawal information from the profile section. In these sites, you need to add your payments info in both these sites. And after that, you could take the withdrawal for the minimum of $5 or even less. Both these sites have very less minimum withdrawal amount. And you could also see that people all over the world are taking out their money into PayPal, Payer, Binance Pay, and many other wallets. I also received a lot more dollars into my PayPal account from these sites. If you want me to take live payment, then help me complete 2,000 likes on this video. Thanks for watching.